In a world that often confuses love with attention, a true relationship is built quietly, with respect, patience, and sincerity. It's not about how much time you spend together, but how much peace you feel in each other's presence. Real love doesn't demand loud displays. It speaks through small acts, a prayer made for you in silence, a message sent just to check if you ate, a voice that calms without saying much. The right person won't rush your heart or test your limits. They'll protect your dignity, honor your values, and grow with you, not away from you. In the end, the most beautiful love isn't found in romance. It's found in respect.